Have you recently installed iOS 17 and regretting it? Don't worry. Today I'm gonna show you how to downgrade from iOS 17 to iOS 16 without a computer and without losing any of your precious data. So if you are wondering how to downgrade iOS 17 to iOS 16, we are here for you. I have two ways to downward iOS 17 to iOS 16. First, you can do it with iTunes with computer. And second, we use this trick to downgrade without computer. Let's get started. First step, let's open up Safari on your iPhone and type in beta profiles dev. Once the website loads up, you can select either developer or public and choose iOS 16. Go ahead and download. Then go to the settings, click Profile, download it, and install and restart your iPhone. It takes some time to rest up. Please wait. Once your iPhone is up and running again, head over to the settings, click on General, then Software Update. You should see the option to download and install iOS 16 Developer Beta. Please click Download and Install to downgrade your iOS here. If it's not there, don't worry. Just turn on and off the beta updates on the top until it appears. But if this trick doesn't work for you, it's time to use a computer. You can either use iTunes for Windows or Finder for Mac to downgrade iOS 17. But remember, back up your iPhone first to keep all your data safe. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome updates, and see you on the next story up.